What's going on everybody, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a really easy and tasty ranch dressing. This recipe is extremely versatile and has an amazing flavour. To start this off, in a blender we're going to add 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 4 grams of flat leaf parsley, 4 grams of dill, 1 gram of chives, and 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. We're then going to pop the lid on. We're going to put this onto a low speed and slowly pour in half a cup of olive oil. Then once our mayonnaise is nice and thick, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and half a cup of buttermilk. We're then going to pop the lid back on and blend this until it's fully combined. If you need to, just scrape down the sides. And at this stage we'll just check it for seasoning. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sea salt and about 8 cracks of black pepper. I'm also going to add 3 more teaspoons of lemon juice just to increase the acidity level. And then blitz that up one last time. Check it for flavour one more time. And that has a really nice light and tangy flavour to it, and you also get the background notes from the herbs. I'm then going to pour this into a clean, sterilised jar. And we're going to pop a lid onto it. And this will last up to 4 days in your fridge. This recipe has amazing flavour and is the perfect condiment for so many different things. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to like, share and comment. And if there's any recipes that you'd like to see me make, please leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make them. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.